shadows play. Tender notes chase the night away. A whisper of rhythm, soft and kind, healing hearts and easing the mind. Melodies linger in the cool night air, each gentle phrase beyond compare. With every chord a balm of peace, in the night's sweet serene relief. Feel the moonlight remedy, it's clear. Every tune a sweet whisper in your ear. Sway with the tranquil lullaby beneath the starlit velvet sky. When troubles loom like a darkened shroud, lift your gaze above the crowd. Let the music cradle your soul in its tender, calming roll. Feel the moonlight remedy, it's clear. Every tune a sweet whisper in your ear. Sway with the tranquil lullaby beneath the starlit velvet sky. With every note a gentle caress, banishing fears untangled in distress. Waves of sound in a gentle flow, reminding us of what we know. Feel the moonlight remedy, it's clear. Every tune a sweet whisper in your ear. Sway with the tranquil lullaby beneath the starlit velvet sky. With every note a gentle caress, banishing fears, untangling distress. Waves of sound in a gentle flow, reminding us of what we know. Shadow of the daylight, whispers of a quiet fight, barely holding on so tight, seeking stars in darkest night. Broken pieces on the floor, echoes of the pain we bore. Close your eyes and feel some more. Love's the key to every door. Healing comes when walls collapse, heartbeats sink in gentle laps. Let the tears and laughter dance. In this moment, take a chance. Breathing in the morning dew, sky above is painted blue. Every scar becomes anew, strength is found within the view. Hands that hold and voices cheer, push away the looming fear. In the silence truth appears, harmony in all we hear. Lessons learned and bridges burned, through the ashes we have turned to the place where hope is earned, in the healing we have yearned. Healing comes when walls collapse, hope and wolf and walls collapse. I'll be tea to every door of your door. Healing comes when walls collapse, heartbeats sink in gentle laps. Let the tears and laughter dance. In this moment take a chance. Breathing in the morning dew. The sky above is painted blue. Every scar becomes anew. Strength is found, we take a chance. Breathing in the morning dew. The sky above is painted blue. Every scar becomes anew. Strength is found, we take a chance. Breathing in the morning dew. The sky above is painted blue. Every scar becomes anew. Strength is found within the fear. Hands that hold and voices cheer. Push away the lonely fear. In the silence, truth appears. Harmony in all the fear. Lessons learned and bridges burned. Through the ashes we have turned. To the place where hope is earned. And the healing we have yearned.